In this video, we're going to explore what are fractions part 2. I will show you what fractions of a quantity mean, and a super quick hack to calculate them fast. In part 1, we learned about fractions of a whole. Today, we're focusing on something slightly different, fractions of a quantity. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, you can check it out after this video. Alright, let's get started. A fraction is a part of a whole. But today, the whole isn't a shape. The whole is a group of items. Let's look at these questions. What fractions of the fruits are oranges? When the denominator equals the total number of items, we always set it up as number of oranges over total fruits. Step 1, we count the total fruits. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go on the bottom, the denominator. Step 2, count the oranges. We have 2. Let's go on the top, the numerator. So 2 oranges out of 6 fruits equal 2/6. Let's try one more. What fractions of the shells are red? We take the number of red shells over total shells. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shells in total. And then we have 1, 2, 3. 3 of them are red. So 3 out of 8 shells give us 3 eggs. Let's quickly review. In what a fraction 1, we learned that a fraction has 2 numbers with a line between them. The line is called the fraction line. The bottom number is the denominator. It tells us how many equal parts the whole is divided into. In this case, the pizza is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 into 8 equal parts. The top number is the numerator. It tells us how many parts we have. Here, we have 1 part of the pizza. So we call the fractions 1/8 or 1/8. For example, if we want to find 1/8 of the shells, the denominator 8 means we divided the 8 shells into 8 equal groups. So 1 shell per group. The numerator 1 means we take 1 group. So 1/8 of the shells is 1 shell. Now, what if the denominator is smaller than the total number of items? For example, what is 3/4 of 8 shells? The bottom number 4 means we split those shells into 4 equal groups. 2, 3, 4. The top number 3 means we take 3 of those groups. 1, 2, 3. Each group has 2 shells, so 3 groups is 6 shells. Do we need to draw pictures every time? Not really. Let me show you a quick hack. Here's the hack for calculating 3/4 of 8. The bottom number 4 means the total number 8 is divided into 4 equal groups. So each group has 8 divided by 4, that's 2 items. The top number 3 means we take 3 of those groups. 2 times 3 is 6. Therefore, 3/4 of 8 is 6. The quick hack for calculating fractions of a quantity is we take the total number divided by the bottom number, then multiply by the top number. Let's test the hack with another example. What is 2/3 of 12? We divide the total 12 by 3 and then multiply by 2. 12 divided by 3 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. So 2/3 of 12 is 8. One more. What is 1/6 of 30? We divide 30 by 6 and then multiply by 1. 30 divided by 6 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. So 1/6 of 30 is 5. Let's review what we learned today. First, we learned that fractions are parts of a whole. When the denominator equals the total number of items, we just count the chosen items and the total. For example, 2 oranges out of 6 fruits is 2/6. When the denominator is less than the total number of items, we use our quick hack. Total number divided by the bottom number and then multiply by the top number. For example, 2/3 of 12, we divide the total number 12 by 3, then multiply by 2, and we get 8. And that's it. That's how we calculate fractions of a quantity quickly and easily. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple math videos. And if you want to go deeper for 3 levels practice questions, click the link in the description to watch the full lesson. See you in the next one.